Alright, the next game, guys, very simple. It's called the name game. How this game works is I will name an actor or actress, and you have to, one, by one, name movies or songs of that actor or actress depending upon the question. Say the question is movies of Akshay Kumar, okay? Then Tarang will name one movie of Akshay Kumar,
Got it.
Abhish will name one movie of Akshay Kumar,
I
and then
remember.
starting from the back, the audience will name one movie of Akshay Kumar.
I remember playing this last time. It was terribly stressful.
Yes, you
Yeah.
will notice I have, knowing you guys' capabilities with Bollywood.
Okay.
I have gone with very easy.
You make it worse.
Yeah, you're making it worse.
When someone is bad at something, making it easy doesn't help.
Guys, this is the most difficult version of the name game we've ever had. Let's see how you guys do. Starting with Tarang now, alright? Give me movies of Salman Khan. Movies of Salman Khan. Yes.
Dabang.
Yes, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
My turn?
Yes, your turn.
Dabang 2.
Absolutely right, sir. Kisi ka bhai, kisi ki jaan. But they don't say kiska. Kiska bhai, kiski jaan.
Tiger.
No, wrong.
हाँ? जिंदा है.
That's, oh, yeah, you got
Yeah,
it.
जिंदा है. मैंने कहा मरा थोड़ी है भाई. टाइगर जिंदा है.
Yes, nice, Avish.
Tere Naam, of course. All-time favorite.
Sir. Hello, brother.
What's up?
Nice. Tarang. You're doing Salman Khan acting. I like that.
Yes. Getting into
I like
character.
that. Very cool. You have 20 seconds each.
What
time.
is the cycling game? The cycling movie.
That is Amir Khan
Yes.
and it's called... But it's nice to know you put all Khans in one category. Cycling movie.
You know, I can help you.
हाँ.
What do you do with the football?
Kick.
Yeah, that's the way, yes.
Kick.
Yeah, correct. Kick is right. Avish, I'll help you also. Are you half thinking of a movie?
Yeah, I have one. Andaz Apna Apna.
Okay, you have one. Great, nice, right. Sir. Hamza Saath hai. Tarang.
तेरे नाम 2.
Tough luck, man.
Okay.
Maybe in a couple of years. Who knows? You have 20 seconds each time. You have about 12 seconds now.
My time goes with
You have 6 seconds now.
The one with Katrina Kaif, man.
There are many.
Yeah. It's called Salman's Farmhouse. Hey, is everyone watching Big Boss? Is everyone watching Big Boss? Okay. You guys are... Praneeth More, a comedian, is on Big Boss season, the current season of Big Boss.
Oh, nice. I don't know.
Okay, it's also good. But Praneeth More has repeatedly made jokes on Salman, which, as all comedians do, because half of the show is based on that. Okay? Salman, someone from the Big Boss team showed Salman these clips. Okay? So then he fucking took Praneeth's case on Big Boss, saying कि आपने मेरे बारे में मैंने देखा क्या क्या बोला. हाँ पर ठीक है मतलब आप अब मेरे बारे में बात करके अगर आपको करियर बन रहा है तो बनने दो. He's like he made himself the upper guy. He didn't have to. Everyone knows that's why people make jokes on Salman and then it's shareable. So that's what.
Wait.
Oh
so
no.
You can make a... Oh no. The
Yeah, he
water
does do
broke.
that. Shit. Sorry.
Wait, our host has left.
He's left.
Welcome to Sarava Beach, guys. This is my only budget production I could do. Today our guest is Tarang. Tarang, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Doing good, man. Yeah.
Very good. Catch this. Great. That's the game show. Good night.
You know, you would think in all this time,
Yeah.
I would have thought of a movie. It's not like I've not been trying. This is how bad we are at Bollywood, Abhish. The host has left us in a buzzer round where we're supposed to be fastest. Antariksh has gone, cleaned stuff, come back, and we still don't have the answer.
Hey, Tarang, I think your 6 seconds are up.
It was right there. I was so close.
Oh shit. Abhish gets full points. Nice. Abhish and the audience, full 5 points.
I got it through Duckworth Lewis.
Alright, cool. Can you give me that, that thing?
I'm sorry.
Okay. That was full 5 points for Abhish and the audience. Tarang did not get any. The next one, starting with Abhish, then Tarang, and then it will continue from Man there. Alright?
Okay.
Sing me songs of Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. Abhish Matthew. Songs of Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh has not sung a song.
Thank you guys. Abhish is out.
What about the ones he sings in his bathroom?
Hey! Abhish, songs that he's been featured in.
Tu hai meri kiran.
Yes.
Tu hai me. The fact that these are the songs coming to my head, you know. When was the last time I saw a movie?
हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी छाव में कभी
Key
कभी
change, wow.
है धूप जिंदगी.
Dude, are you that tone deaf? Are you really that tone deaf?
छाव में
Dude, that is
कभी
amazing.
कभी है धूप.
I have never heard someone sing हर घड़ी बदल रही है.
I didn't put effort. Okay, I didn't know I had to sing.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
मैं तो नहीं लेता भाई तरंग भाई मैं तो चले जाता विनर मैं बन जाता पर तुम चले.
We'll wait for the next song. Tarang has to say. Ma'am, ma'am, are you that tone deaf? Abhish. You have 20 seconds. Huh? Unless I drop something again.
Can someone give him coffee? It's in my head. It's there. Lots of them. Hold on.
Sure, yes.
Silence.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Thinking.
A quick tip would be think of any Shah Rukh Khan film and then songs from that film will be much easier because you can just run down songs.
Yeah, if you know his films, what the hell? That's the toughest thing.
What?
I'm going by action and trying to say which action was it. Which is that one in the with Kajol inside, like that yellow sari and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, which one was that? Oh no! Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. 100% there are songs.
Yes.
Incredible.
No,
Abhish, incredible.
You might.
Le jayenge, Dilwale.
So the thing is, this is not an actual song
Oh no!
on the album. It's just like a throwaway line because they had to justify the title of the movie.
Dare you
Yeah.
say, music director sang, they got a singer,
No,
there
they
was
didn't.
lyrics written.
This was Shah Rukh himself in the movie.
Yeah, so I'm right.
So Shah Rukh has sung a song, guys.
Oh my God.
Also, he has
Double
sung
points.
Apun Bola Tu Meri Laila is sung by Shah Rukh. Fuck, how do I not catch that?
Apun bola tu meri lela.
That's sung by Shah
Apun
Rukh.
bola tu meri lela.
I feel
10 points.
this is rigged.
Wow, I got so excited. Sorry, I helped you with the previous question. I helped you with kick. It's okay.
Okay.
Preparing.
चक दे इंडिया इंडिया चक दे इंडिया इंडिया.
Available
Nowhere
for
to
birthday
run,
parties.
nowhere to hide. Ma'am. इंतजार में हूँ ना.
This one, no?
Yes, nice.
The right swipe of the hair.
Everyone, let's do it together.
I don't know. You know this? Nice.
Okay, that's definitely getting cut out.
Never have I lip synced a whistle.
Yeah. That's a first. We are breaking all kinds of norms there, dude. मैं हूं ना मैम said. Yes, Abhish.
चल छैया 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 चल ई छैया मार चल छैया 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 चल छैया छैया छैया. There is another song. चल
No.
छैया छैया छैया. That'll be a different song also.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Tung 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 tung.
Crazy frog.
Ding 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 ding.
मुझको
ding, 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 ding.
पहचान लो मैं हूँ डॉग.
So. दर्द डिस्को, दर्द डिस्को, दिल में मेरे दर्द डिस्को, दर्द डिस्को, दर्द डिस्को. Nothing crazy.
I would love to see this.
I like
online.
Tarang is lip syncing this one. Abhish.
That's a good song. That was.
It's good. He was doing vocal
Yeah.
exercises at Manata.
You're doing your scales, whatever.
Yeah. Alap,
Alap,
alap.
alap. Thank
Sorry,
you.
I should do it differently, like Shah Rukh Khan. Staccato.
Don't distract Abhish.
Oh, where is that? There are some nice songs.
Oh, yeah.
Swadesh. ये जो देश है स्वदेश है मेरा तुझे है पुकारा. Nice, good key.
ये जो
बंधन
है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता.
फिर से come on everybody. ये जो
देश
है
मेरा,
स्वदेश है मेरा,
मुझे है
पुकारा. ये जो बंधन है वो कभी टूट नहीं सकता.
Nice.
100 points for me.
Absolutely. Abhish gets extra 2 points.
I'm also going to do it then.
ये जो थे.
कहते हैं ओम शांति ओम.
And now let's get to an action slow-mo replay. And that to a song called Om Shanti Om.
I also liked that Tarang sang the lyrics of the कहते हैं ओम शांति. What is that? कहते हैं ओम शांति.
It's two mixed together. Yeah.
Ma'am, there. On the dance floor, they are having sex. Rani and Shah Rukh.
Also the
Ma'am remembers very clearly. Yeah?
the question gets answered very quickly. Where's the party tonight? On the dance floor. Okay.
Yeah. और उनकी पार्टी कमरे में चल रही होगी.
It's basically some chepo guy was trying to come and say, where's the party tonight? Dance floor नहीं है, after party नहीं है. आप यहीं रहो.
Bro, अंधा है क्या?
Oh, my turn.
Yeah.
Oh, their turn. My turn.
But then it becomes vague after that. It's like, where's the party tonight? Somewhere down the road.
Can you make
Somewhere
up
down
your
the
mind?
road.
Is it on the dance floor or down the road?
Somewhere down the road.
Where is it exactly?
Yeah. Also, address. It's a wrong way of giving it. You start broader and then go narrower.
Yeah.
You don't
You
go
have
narrow
to-
on the dance floor.
Fourth verse should be
Yeah.
where's the
Exactly.
party tonight? 18 Anubandh apartments. 949.
Inconvenient bandra.
The charity.
Only at parties. All right. Let's buy it right. Abhish, we'll do one more each. This has been going on for a while. Abhish.
तू है मेरी किरण.
That's the one you started.
Call back.
Abhish.
हाँ. तुमसे मिलके मुझको है तो यार क्या करें.
I mean,
तुमसे
you are right. I have to give it to you. You are
मिलके
right. You are right.
यार क्या करें.
Everybody, तुमसे मिलके दिल का
क्या
कहे हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे. Dum tara dum tara dum tara dum tara dum ba dum tara dum tara dum tara dum tara dum tara dum. No, but wait, it has to be also.
Excuse me. That's
तुमको पूजा है तुम्हारी इबादत की है हमने जब की है
से अंता इक्स ए अंटा इक्स बाबा हो अंटा इक्स बाबा टू 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 अंटा इक्स आर.
I get it, yeah.
So yes, I've given my Shah Rukh song. It's
Cool,
your turn.
very cool, sir.
क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है तुम पास आओ
यूं मुस्कुराओ तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाओ. Very good. Okay, let's do one more. We just get done with this song. He has a cameo in the song, but you guys have no idea. It's okay.
This next song is a song Shah Rukh performed in. It's called Dance of Envy. I would like to dance it for you.
Yes.
What? Yeah, it's a song, Dance of Envy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But those steps are from Darde Disco, no?
Yes.
Okay, cool. That was the end of this.
Wow, we
first round.
survived, bro.
Very well done. Both, all of you guys. Very cool. That was very fun. That was by far one of the most fun name game rounds we've ever had, without a doubt. But so everyone gets 5 points. Now we go on to the advanced part of the name game, which is for 10 points. This is now situation based.
Oh, no.
You understand what I mean? Give me movies with 2 heroes, 2 hero films. Name 2 hero films.
War. War.
What did you say? No.
War.
2 hero films. War. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
गुंडे recycle reuse reinvent
Ma'am. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Back to Avish. Yeah.
Sholay.
What's that?
जो जीता वो सिकंदर.
That's the cycle movie.
That's the
Yes,
cycle.
nice.
I thought about it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the thing is, Salman is a supporting actor. It has to be 2 hero films. I know, like, I was expecting that to happen, and then I will tell you. So, ma'am, I will give you another 10 seconds. Enough. There are plenty. Yeah, fair enough.
Totally worth the wait.
Avish.
जाने भी दो यारो.
Yeah, absolutely right. See, nobody knows the movie.
Can it be up to 2 heroes?
No, like 2 or more.
2 or more?
Yeah.
Two or more.
Sorry, yes, 2 or more.
Oh,
I should have mentioned that.
Welcome.
My
That
bad.
changes nothing for me.
welcome. 2 or
Yeah,
more.
sure. Yeah, it's an ensemble. Yeah, fair enough. I'll give you that. Abhish is done, no?
ऐसा तो
Andhar Mama, absolutely yes. Abhish again.
How dare you? I mean, ऐसा अगर कर सकते हैं तो फिर भाई जानी दुश्मन all time ensemble cast double hero.
Yeah, like 15 heroes, dude. Nice.
Alright.
Tarang.
Hera Fairy. 3 people.
Yeah, correct. You're right. I thought you were saying.
No, that I'll get to in the next one.
Of course. So,
No. Last episode you corrected me.
what?
It's not Hera Fairy 2, it's फिर से Hera Fairy. फिर Hera Fairy. Say.
Wow.
फिर है ना? You told
right.
me.
You're absolutely
You
right.
put it as a reel.
You're absolutely right.
I didn't accept it. Because I was like, इसमें मैं बुरा लग रहा हूँ. But
I
yeah,
know.
I did. फिर Hera Fairy. Correct. Boom.
Dhamal.
Dhamal 2.
Yeah.
Hey, once again, you've conveniently messed up the order.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you went first, Tarang. It's not on
okay,
Abhish.
Excuse me. Take 2.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Okay.
You messed up the order.
Okay, let's correct it. Abhish say Dhamal 2 first. He can say Dhamal, and then we can continue.
Yeah.
Fine. Dhamal 2.
That reminds me, Dhamal.
Very well done. Sanskar. What else, Chote Mia? Okay, we'll do one more each. This is going very well. Abhish, one more each and we get it.
That Shah Rukh song, no? that you sang.
I don't know why my brain is stuck at Bunty and Bubbly. Even though Amitabh Bachchan comes in later, for me,
it's still two heroes. Because what is a hero? It's a narrative of a protagonist. Doesn't need to be a gendered role. Otherwise, you could even say Lapata ladies as two heroes.
No,
so
not
what do you
heroine.
define as?
Not
No. I feel like the old nomenclature of heroine is very gender nomenclative. If you look at the book, like even when Robert McKee has written
I
about
think our
the
time is
story
up,
of a
Abhish.
thousand- Tried, man. I tried.
Okay, but you're actually out.
Yeah, but
5 seconds if you have.
Yeah, Bunty Bubbly or Hum Tum or.
None of them. Neither of them. Could
But there are two heroes.
I mean, again, they're not protagonists.
They are protagonists.
Who? Which? In Humtum, which?
Hum and Tum. It's us.
Okay.
Oh, you are right, bro. No. Abhish is out. That's Tarang and the audience both get 10 points each. Sorry, Abhish. But very well fought. Again, by far, one of the most fun, the name game rounds we ever had. Very cool, guys. Thanks so much.